Hello and welcome back to our channel. We've got something exciting for you today. What if I told you that you could earn more than $450 daily? Crazy, right? If you don't believe me, watch this video and find out how you can make more than $450 every single day by just typing names. Now imagine I'm telling you to type one word, and for every word you type, I give you 0.015. And every second word you type, I give you 0.030. Every page you write, I'll give you $15. You're finding it difficult to believe me, aren't you? Well, it's better that you believe it, because I've got a website for you that will pay you $15 for just typing out one page of names. This website will pay you for as many pages as you write. Say you type 5 pages of names in a day, that's $75 right in your pocket, my friend. While feeling a little extra productive, maybe 20 pages, and you get $300 in the bank account in one day. Do you know what's crazier? You could type as many pages of names as you want and earn more than $450 a day. There's no limit. Now that's an opportunity that you do not want to miss. Have I convinced you yet? I'm sure that you have, but if not, guess what? I have some cool features about this online job opportunity that will surely make you want to sign up immediately. This opportunity is available for free for everyone, so whether you're a 16-year-old student looking to earn from extra pocket money, or an 80-year-old retired senior citizen looking to spend your time and earn a bit of retirement cash, this website is waiting for you to sign up. And don't worry if you don't live in the US. You could be living anywhere in the world and it would be available. I assure you that this opportunity is available worldwide for all people around the globe. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and guess what? This video will show you exactly how to get this job. Keep watching till the end to get all of the details. Okay, first things first, go to Google Chrome and click on the URL tab. There, I want you to type in talentdesire.com. This is where you sign up to begin your quick cash job. Here you can work with famous brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. You can select an online job from your home and apply for free for all over the world. With Talent Desire, you can tap into a global network of work from your home computer or your laptop for no cost. You can easily connect with popular employers and kickstart your online career. When you scroll through the website, you can see that this website has an endless range of online jobs and opportunities for you to do from home. For example, online proofreading jobs where you can earn up to $10.50 to $37.50 or more per hour. You can also apply for an online paid survey jobs that will give you anywhere between $5 to $75 per survey. Isn't that cool? There are so many more online work opportunities to choose from, like affiliate marketing jobs, online teaching jobs, language translation jobs, etc. just by signing up for free from anywhere in the world. But today, we will concentrate on typing jobs that will give you all the information you need to sign up in the easiest job available on this website. A job that does not require any past experience, any tech skills, and is available for everyone at any age from anywhere in the world. When you click on online typing jobs option on this website, you will see that they are looking for someone to perform typing and word processing tasks for their worldwide clients. The pay will start from $27 and will go up to $13,500 and more per year to their employees. This way, you can earn some extra money working from home on your own computer and schedule. You can find jobs for all levels of typing skills, be it beginner or expert typist. You don't even need to worry about receiving less work. They guarantee that their employees minimum work of $1,100 per month. They are willing and ready to pay the best in the market for the typing work for good accuracy work and in the borderline time period as per their terms. You can earn more or less depending on your experience and skill set, your work ethic, accuracy levels, and the company you're typing for. The simple requirements for this job are basic knowledge of the internet and English, a minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer, and a computer with a high-speed internet. Pretty simple, isn't it? To sign up for this online typing job, you must be at least 16 years old. You do not need to worry about the registration fees because it's absolutely free. There are no hidden costs before or after joining, and you don't need to make any investment at any stage. Now, let's look into the estimated earning table. You can see that according to your level of expertise and work experience, you can get paid. Say you're a beginner and you get $0.010 per word, so you can type 300 words per page as a beginner, and you will get paid $3 in your pocket. Suppose you earn $45 a day. Then if you work for 25 days, then your calculated monthly income will be $1,100. Don't believe me? Do the math yourself on a calculator and see for yourself. I'm right, aren't I? Just like that, depending on your level, your earning will be less or more. For example, when you are an intermediate, you will be earning $3.60 per page of 300 words. If you're a professional but you want to earn as much as an expert, don't worry. We've got a secret for that as well. You can easily click on the expert level option by getting yourself a free certificate from ratatype.com. This website will conduct a short typing test to determine how many words you can type per minute and your accuracy. Once you get your result, you can sign on to the website and get your certificate for free. This certificate will help you get better typing job opportunities on talentdesire.com. Now, let's look into the per page earning. For every page you write, and depending on your level, you will get a certain amount in your pocket according to the per page rate. So if you are a professional, after you complete the expected typing work, that is 15 pages per day, you get $67.50. The website also has an earning simulator that will help you calculate the kind of earning you can earn from this online typing job opportunity. Time to fill in the form of registration. Scroll down to the end of online typing jobs page and click apply now, then it will take you to the page where you can get the application form to register. Here, click on online application forms and you will get a form that you must fill to apply for the job. First, click on accept option to accept the privacy policy of this website, then begin your application process by filling in your personal information. This section will ask you to fill your name, your last name, your email, contact number, resident country, and where you can see that this job is available to people all over the world. Next up, you gotta fill in your professional information. On the preferred job title option, you must enter online job typing. Make sure you type this correctly and exactly how I'm telling you because this is the most important part of your application form. Next, select your preferred working hours and what time is best for you option. This way, you can set your own work time and schedule. However, I would suggest to click on the all day option as this increases the world of work that you will receive, which means you will receive more money as compared to when you choose a specific time slot. Now, choose the best way to receive your earnings from the 5 options like PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and Skrill. After you've done that, you must choose your current profession status. You can pick from options like full-time employee, part-time employee, freelancer, self-employed, unemployed, and other. You're now done with filling all the details of the application. All you have to do now is click on yes, I have read and accept the above statement, put in your signature, click on I am not a robot, and submit. That's it! You now have successfully registered to Online Typing Job, where you can earn $450 or more every day just by typing names. Isn't that super exciting? Anyways, that's all we have for you today, guys. Don't forget to tell us what you thought about this video by leaving a comment down below. Make sure to have fun at your new job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.